You don't wake up to the morning wakes up in you. Before the first rays of sunlight touch the sky, before the noise of the world begins, there is a quiet moment that belongs only to you. A moment held between two breaths, where stillness becomes light. This is the space before doing, the gentle space of simply being. Let this be your invitation to open softly, to breathe deeply, to awaken gently from within. Take a soft, easy breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself arriving calm, present, ready to meet this new day. Now, let's come home to the breath. Bring your awareness gently to the quiet rhythm within. Notice the wave, rising and falling like the morning tide. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let the air awaken your chest, your belly, your heart. Hold it softly just for a moment, feeling light gather inside. Then exhale. Through your mouth, long and easy. Let each breath wash through you, releasing yesterday, making space for this new morning. Again, breathe in calm. Breathe out ease. With every inhale, light expands. With every exhale, tension melts. One more time. Inhale light, exhale peace, and as you breathe, feel the morning moving gently through you like soft light across still water. Now, let your breath begin to guide your body. Bring your awareness gently to your shoulders. Breathe into them softly. Inhale. Feel them rising with light. Hold just for a moment, and as you exhale, let them melt, completely releasing every trace of tension. Now bring your attention to your chest. Breathe in warm, golden air. Let it fill the space around your heart. Hold. And as you breathe out, feel any heaviness dissolving like morning mist fading in sunlight. Move your breath down into your belly, feeling the lower body quietly awaken. Inhale light. And as you exhale, release everything you no longer need. Let your breath become a gentle wave flowing through your whole body, from shoulders to chest to belly and beyond. Feel your entire being open, soft, luminous, grounded. The morning receives you, just as you receive the morning, like a flower unfolding to the first light. Each inhale invites warmth. Each exhale creates space until you're resting completely in the quiet glow of presence. Now, let your breath bring you fully here into a soft space of gratitude. Imagine a gentle light glowing in your heart, warm and golden like the first rays of morning. With each inhale, breathe in gratitude, a quiet appreciation for all that already is. Hold for a moment, letting this warmth fill your chest. As you exhale, feel that light flowing outward, spreading softly through your body. See it moving like sunlight at dawn, touching every part of you, every cell, every thought, every breath. Now bring to mind something you're thankful for. This morning, perhaps the air you breathe, the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, or simply this quiet moment of being. Hold that gratitude close, and with your next inhale, let it grow brighter as you breathe out. See the light extend beyond your body, beyond this space, flowing gently into the world around you. This light is your offering to the new day. With every inhale, it grows. With every exhale, it shines. This is your quiet gift to yourself and to the world. Now, let these words guide you deeper into the morning. I invite you to breathe with them, letting each affirmation settle gently within you. I open my heart to light. Inhale deeply, exhale softly, and feel the meaning unfold. Each breath is a new awakening. Breathe in calm. Breathe out peace. I allow peace to rise within me. Inhale, exhale, and feel it expand. If you enjoy this moment of opening, you may also like morning gratitude meditation. Tap the card now to continue your journey. I step into the day with calm and clarity. Let each word rest within you, like sunlight settling gently over your heart. Breathe in their meaning. Breathe out all that does not serve you. Let these affirmations take root within steady, luminous, alive. You are the sunrise unfolding right now. Take one last gentle breath in and let the morning light fill you completely. Hold it for a moment, feeling this light resting in your heart, your body, your mind. Now, slowly exhale, carrying this calm awareness into your day. You are the morning light. You are presence itself. Let this quiet glow stay with you, a soft flame, always within reach. And remember, whenever you return to your breath, you return to this light. Carry it with you and let it shine.